Okay, so we come into Castle Rock. They have the outside hotel rooms, which I think they bought to combine with this. You can see the outside part of the park up there. Okay, now again, up and down. You're going to go up and down everywhere. Okay, now we're pulling up to the front. Okay, and we're going to go in and check it out. We are at Castle Rock. All right, kids, you coming in?
Nope.
Abby, you've never seen Castle Rock. You want to see it? Miss Gina's going to want to know your opinion, so come on in. That's the view from up here. And Pizza Hut is literally right over there.
Did you just record that?
Right now.
Or discussion?
Right now, no. Okay. Okay, we're going into the hotel. Yeah, stop. That's what Gina wants. Stop it.
Stop. Stop the video. Stop it now.
Gift shop. Hi.
Thanks.
Okay, got an arcade over here. And the arcade looks onto the water park. I'm going to run out and videotape your water park, my girlfriend.
Okay.
Ian, Abby, come on. She's going to want your opinion too as kids. That's their restaurant. Just pretend like you're tourists then. Okay, we've got the one set of doors. Oh, I see a lifeguard right off the front. More lockers. Sitting area. Oh, I like how that one comes down to a bigger pool. Life vest. Another bucket. There's always a bucket. You know what? I don't think they have a lazy river. I like that the lifeguard moves around and patrols. Oh, they got 2 lifeguards. Wow. That's impressive. Okay, I think we're done. I see the arcade from here.